In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make beautiful floral project in Irish lace technique. We are working on the back side of the project. We begin from the painting in real size, then pin it on a mat, make cords on the burden, pin them and sew them together in the places of contiguity, and filling up free places with chaotic mesh, and crochet the stamens and sew them together. For work you need balls of yarn, pins, scissors, mat, and crochet hooks and beads. Make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. Begin from this flower. Let's begin the work. I'm working with petals. Begin from this one. I remind you we are working on the back side. As you can see, I divide my petal on some parts. Each part of the petal will be made of different color of yarn. I will begin from bright to dark. Begin from the cord on the burden. Begin the cord. Burden is the thread in the half 3 times. Insert the hook into the loop. Make a chain. Make single crochet stitches. Pull a little bit. And pull a little bit. Here what we have. The ready cord you should pin on the pattern. As you can see, I pinned my cord. I put in this way on the pattern. We're working on the back side of the project. Now I'm going to work with chaotic mesh. I filling up 3 places. As you can see, I began already. I work it with space number 3. Now I working with space number 2. I am working with green color of yarn. Take the hook, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, turn the work, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, make a chain, 1, 2, let's repeat again, yarn over the hook and make double crochet, let's repeat again, turn the work, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, make single crochet into the chain space, I pin this part of the work, turn the work, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, turn the work, make a chain, 1, 2, let's repeat again, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the next chain space, then you should continue by yourself. I have done chaotic mesh on the space number 2. Now I will work with space number 1. I will work with this part, insert the hook into the cord, turn the work, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the cord, make single crochet, let's repeat again, one, two, three, single crochet, make a chain of 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook and make double crochet, make a chain of 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, let's repeat again, make double crochet, chain 1, 2, and single crochet into the chain space, chain 1, 2, turn the work, make single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn the work, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, chain, 1, 2, 3, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain 1, 2, 3, make double crochet into the chain space, turn the work, chain 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the chain space. I do not finish this stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet, not finish. Let's repeat again. And pull through all loops on the hook. So continue working in this way till the end of this space. I have done the chaotic mesh, but we still need to continue. Now I will work with white color of yarn. We're working on the back side. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3, make single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, make single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, make double crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, make single crochet, chain 1, 2, turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet. I do not finish this stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make single crochet, chain 1, 2, make double crochet into the chain space. I do not finish this stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet, not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. make a chain 1, 2, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain 1, 2, yarn over the hook, make a chain, make single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of the space. We have done chaotic mesh, but we still need to complete. Now I show you how to remove this yarn. Turn the work, make a chain, 1, 2, make single crochet, chain 1, 2, insert the hook into the stitch by working with single crochet. Now I cut off this yarn and remove this yarn into the cord. Now I turn the work. Now I will work with this part of the petal. I have done the first petal of the flower. Then I will work with next petals. I have done large petals. Now I will work with smaller petals. Before the work I take Маша, клееночка как будет. Вставишь слово. I pin it. All petals has one point in the joining. We have done all petals of the flower. I throw them together in the center. We have done the big flower. Then we have done the part of the flower. The part of the flower I did in the same way as I showed you in this video. Then I did cords on the burden, put them on the pattern and fill it up 3 places with chaotic mesh. I sew them together in the places of contiguity. The work is finished. Now I turn to the front side, the project. This is the front side of the project. As you can see, I have already done the stamens. The stamens was sewn in the center. The stamens consist of the chain and a bead. The work is ready. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Today we have learned how to make beautiful floral project in Irish lace technique. Crochet Boutique is the unique, stylish, handmade clothing studio of Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing ready clothes, you can also order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you. Thanks for watching.